Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. And this time around, we can actually be a little bit more bullish, which is nice. But we'll do a full update. We'll talk about the technicals. In terms of fundamentals, there's really nothing new. I mean, we'll look at some things which I do think are interesting in terms of fundamentals and macroeconomic factors that influence Bitcoin. So there are some things we'll talk about. But apart from that, I mean, on Thursday and Friday, we have some big economic news again. So that's something to know, but that's not something we can talk about now. All right. So yeah, but we'll talk about Bitcoin because the main thing we did, and this is also what we talked about in my middle of the day market update yesterday, right? So if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, then first of all, welcome. But at least every day where it's worth it, I try to do some sort of a market update in the middle of the day. And what we saw there is that we actually had some sort of a bullish breakout. And you can see that clearly here on the chart as well. Like ultimately, we're not bullish, right? I mean, we're consolidating here. But we were at the range low right here between 56 and 57,000. So what I said yesterday already is we're looking for some sort of confirmation. And what we did then is we got this breakout right here, right? So that was great. That was the initial sign that we were actually, you know, that we could actually bounce from this bigger support level right here. And I think we have continued that. Yesterday evening, we actually saw quite a lot of shorts being closed. So that's a good thing as well. That's what you can see right here, right? So a big red candle, a lot of shorts closed, CVD went up. So that pushed us up. And then just over the course of the night, more shorts were closed. So that's a good thing. It's not the best because ideally you don't want shorts to be closed. You want longs to be opened, right? So that's why I do think at this point of time we are at a crucial level, because what we're in terms of market structure is a consolidation between 57, which we bounced from, and 61 or 62, that level up here. And what we want is we want to get up to $61,000 and $62,000 to actually try to break above that. And for that, we need to break above 59,500. That's the middle. It's also a very strong technical level. So that's what we need to do. That's this level right here. And can we do that? Yes, but we do need to see some sort of a push relatively soon, because you can see that we rejected off of that level quite extensively, right? So we found some strong resistance from there. So now what we need is we need some momentum. Unfortunately, we saw some new short orders coming in earlier this morning, so that's also what caused this move right here, this bearish move. So what we just need to see is that, you know, at some level right here, so some sort of a minor key level, like if you look at the chart right now, you can say something like this is a minor key level. But a level like this, let's say around or just above 58,500, does need to provide some strong momentum and support here in order for us to be able to break above 59,500 and to get that move up there. Do I expect this? Yes. All right. This is what I've been talking about for the last couple of days. I expect the bottom of this consolidation to hold, and I do think we have sufficient confirmation technically to assume that we will be able to do that. Now, then the big question, so this is what I expect. Then the big question will become, will we break above 61 and 62,000? And I think the initial answer is no. But there's definitely, so initially we will find resistance. But if we actually do hold something like 60,000, if we hold 59,500, I do think, and this goes against the grain a little bit, but I do think a rally in September is a possibility. All right, so many people are short now, so many people are expecting a bearish September, which, for example, last year as well, could also be the fuel to actually have a bullish September. But it's too early to talk about that. For now, this is what I expect. I will keep you updated on that also in my middle of the day market update, so keep an eye out on that. But for now, I think this is what you need to know. We did not look at the fundamentals, but honestly, we'll do that later today. We'll do that in the middle of the day market update as well. For now, this is what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.